Hey guys, Mark here. Welcome. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to finish up a flat braided kumihimo bracelet. We're going to be using a bit of hardware to get a nice looking, clean and adjustable finish. Here is how this sort of a closure works. On one side, we have a clasp. On the other, we have an extender chain. By unhooking our clasp and attaching it onto any point in our chain, we essentially regulate the length of our bracelet. The side with the clasp consists out of three parts: a ribbon end, a jump ring, as well as a clasp. The side with the chain consists out of three parts again: the ribbon end, the jump ring, as well as an extender chain. The hardware needed to finish up our bracelets can be bought in sets. The set should contain ribbon ends, jump rings, clasps, as well as extender chains. For the tools, I'm going to be using a pair of scissors, nose pliers, a lighter, and some tape. As the final supply, we're going to be using a bit of strong glue. E6000, for example, is quite commonly used in jewelry making. So I have a piece of braid here. I'm going to secure it with a bit of tape. I cut a short strip, then cut off a thin strip, and use the thin strip to secure the end of my braid. Next, I trim off any excess . In some cases, you may want to melt the ends. If your pliers have teeth, cover these up with a bit of tape to avoid damaging your ribbon ends when you close them together. Next, we attach our ribbon ends onto the braid. Let it dry for a couple of hours. When the glue dries, we install the rest of our hardware. On one side, we add the jump ring, then a clasp. On the other side, we add a jump ring, and an extender chain. So, we have our closing mechanism for our bracelet. So guys, this covers the process of adding a closure to our flat braided kumihimo bracelets. In my opinion, this sort of a finish looks good, plus it is very practical since it adds adjustability to our bracelets. Thank you very much for joining me today, and I invite you to join me in my future ones as well.